This is the other challenge lock that Lock Junkie sent me. It's Phantom Fuego number 4. I think it's called Down One. So 50,000's Covert Instruments. Number 3 from the Reaper set. Let's see. Make sure I have the right one. So there's 3, 4. I probably overset number 3 already. Four, 5, 1. This is one of those Marks cores. Oh shit. Okay. So it has that wording right there that kind of pushes your pick off the side. I'm sorry, it's a Hager core, not a Marks core. It's a Hager core. 5-pin. But that is Down One by Phantom Fuego.